Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Angular. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of installing Angular and creating your first project. First thing first, let's start with why we need Angular. So first thing is Angular is a powerful framework for building web application and it provides a structured and efficient way to create dynamic web pages. Now let's get started with the installation process. So to install Angular and work with it, we need two things basically. One is Node.js and another thing is Angular CLI. So talking about Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that we will need to run Angular application. Now let's see how to install Node.js. So open your browser and type download Node.js in the search bar. Now you can see this first link nodejs.org. Click on it and on this website you will see this download button, download Node.js. Click on it and it will start downloading the Node.js. So now as we can see that this Microsoft installer file has been downloaded. Let's open it in the file explorer. Double click on this and it will start installing. Accept the terms and license agreement. Click on next, 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 next and install. Let's wait for some time. It will take some time to install itself. And that's it. We are done. Click on finish. So Node.js is installed in our system. Let's verify that. So to verify whether Node.js has been installed or not, open command prompt and type the command node-v. Now as you can see that Node has been installed into our systems and the current version is 20.12.2. Now Node.js is installed. Next we need to install the Angular CLI, which is command line interface for the Angular. So Angular CLI is a powerful tool that helps us to create and manage Angular projects easily. Now let's install it. So to install the Angular CLI, go back to command prompt and type the command npm install -g @angular/cli. Hit enter and it will start installing Angular CLI into your system. -g means globally, so this Angular CLI package will be installed globally into your machine. Let's wait for some time and it will be installed. Alright, so now Angular CLI is installed and to verify that we will type the command ng version and you can see that Angular CLI is installed successfully and the version is 17.3.4. So now we have installed both the dependencies Node.js and Angular CLI. Next we will create a new Angular project using Angular CLI. So let's open the file explorer. In this location I want to create the new Angular application. It is in my C drive and project folder and then Angular folder. So to create a new project I need to open the command prompt at this location. So click on this search and type cmd. It will open the command prompt at this exact location. Hit enter and as you can see right now I am in projects Angular folder. So to create a new Angular project, type the command ng new and your application name. So let's call it my Angular app and hit enter. Here it will ask you to choose the style sheet format. So I will choose SCSS. I don't want server side rendering, so I will enter no and it will start installing packages. It will take some time to install packages and generate all the Angular files. So let's wait for that. Alright, now the Angular project is created successfully and we can verify that. So you can see in this location now there is a folder my Angular app, and if I open it you can see that all the files have been generated. So now we will be running this project, and to run a new Angular project you have to type the command ng-serve. I need to be in the Angular project, so I need to navigate to cd my Angular app. Here we need to run the ng-serve command. Alright, so it is asking whether I want to share data with Google. Yep, and it will start building the Angular application and it should be running soon. So now you can see that Angular application bundle generation has been completed, and right now it is running at localhost 4200. So let's verify. So I will go to my browser and type localhost 4200, and here you can see that my Angular app is running. Now as you can see, since my Angular application is running fine, if I want to make some updates, I will open my application in code editor. Code editor can be of your choice. Right now I am using Visual Studio Code, so I will open the application there. So to open the application in Visual Studio Code, I will first navigate to the project, which is in projects directory in Angular, and then my Angular app. And to open it in code editor Visual Studio Code, I will type the command code dot and hit enter. Now as you can see that my Angular app application has been opened in Visual Studio Code, and if I want to make any changes I will open the src folder, and inside app we have this app component.html. So whatever you are seeing here is written inside this app.component.html. So to verify that, let's delete everything and write something on your own, like this is my first Angular app, and save it, and it should be updated in your browser. So to verify that, let's open a browser, and as you can see that your application has been updated. And that's how you install Angular and create your first project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy coding.